Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Education Times. Today I will show you how to promote your CPA offer or CPA landing page in a paid marketing. Now I am showing how to pay it in Google Ads. At first you create a Google Ads account, then you add your fund and then create a campaign. Now select campaign, start new campaign and promote offer using a lead. Then I am select lead. At first I am showing how to create your campaign type such as search, smart, video. I have a promote my website, then I select smart or search. Now I am select search. Then we need a lead generation, that's why I am select lead from subscription and press continue. And write a campaign name. It's an email submit offer, that's why I am write email submit. And what types of search in this bar, then you show search, network and display networks. Choose anything, tick or not tick. Select your countries, what countries, or select your specific location. It's a USA based offer, that's why I am select United States country, and obviously it's select language English. When I am this offer promote another country, then I am select another location or another language. Now it's a very important part in this advertisement. Audience, it's depend on your conversion or lead. Select your audience. I need Amazon. That's why you provide some related text, my related audience, and select seasonal shopping, online Black Friday shopping, in store after Christmas, a lot of shoppers. When you write gift card, then you show some different types of offers such as I am select credit card, debit or checking service, Black Friday, Mother's Day shopping, in store, payment and service, online Black Friday, lot of offers. You have select your offers in your types. Now I'm going to the audience tagging system. It's a select targeting or optional, and select your bidding account. Per day you spend how many dollars, and per day $4, and select your bidding category. It's a conversation. You select click, the conversation menu, lot of, and select click. Select your targeting audience bit rate, or otherwise you select your conversion rate automatically. It's the maximum conversion rate bit strategy. Then you choose select this option and see more, and you grade save and continue. Then you select your group ads, enter your URL, Now I'm copy this URL and post inside here. Now enter your product or service. Otherwise you select and keyword planner, then you go to a new tab and discover a new keyword. Select your country and write what types of keyword you need. Enter your URL. Now it show a lot of gift cards code. Then I am going to my page and write and select 7 continue. Now it's the most important part in these videos. Now write your final URL and copy pasting and write your headlines. I'm go to my blogger and copy this and write in here. Again copy and paste in here. And write a description. Now I'm come to again and copy. Now I'm going to paste in here. We need is short. Also we provide. Now we provide a short description too. There will also be a text and in there. Then you provide. Now 7 continue. Now we show the space is promoted, then you select published. Now this post is be available in Google. Whoever search in this related page, then you show first, and when this post is alive, then you show a rank in your dashboard and regularly post in Google Ads and earn a lot of lead in your CPA marketplace. Then thank you.